Woo! What's up?
What's up, man?
It's nice. It's not too hot. It's not stupid today.
It's gonna rain soon.
Maybe. But that's okay, because we have a garage. And today we're gonna use it. Not a lot of stuff left that I can do in my class. I run STR autocross. And one of the few things left that I haven't done is a short shifter. So today we're gonna take care of that.
I think maybe a short shifter will give you better times.
Not even a little bit. You shift literally once on an autocross course, but it's a thing we can do, and if it makes it more entertaining daily, then cool. I don't know.
Race car?
I don't know, I just be doing shit.
Because race car?
Because race car, that's why. Roll the intro.
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy.
So we have here today a shifter from CAE. And this thing is supposed to be one of the nicest, crispiest, notchiest, all of the words associated with shifters. This is supposed to have all of those words. So it should be nice. I fucking hope so. They're kind of expensive. So let's get this thing pulled in here.
Think that Hoonigan's gonna go back on?
I hope so. I like this knob, and I don't know if I like the one that it came with, so this one might go back on. This is not a super easy install. There's a little bit of pulling apart of some stuff, both interior-wise and shifter-wise. So we're gonna be following along with an install video that I found. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you're doing this, go look at that.
It rained.
Weird how it started raining as soon as we pulled inside. All right, let's get the interior pulled apart. It's not too hard to get all this stuff apart. There's a bunch of clips that are pretty breakable. This should be able to come up and out now. There we go. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
There's so much wasted space. I could keep things here. Why are they not giving us this space? All of this room is wasted. All that sits here is this. Just like mounting the seats unnecessarily high. Mazda hates you and wants you to be cramped. There's more space in here than they advertise. Mazda, give us the space. Yep. Okay. Out with the old. Will you pass me the box of new stuff? Let's see here. Here we go. That piece looks a lot like the last piece that's in here. So, we get that piece out. Yep. Get this last bolt out, and then we just have to pry this thing around to try to break the RTV that's holding it to the transmission. It's notoriously a pain in the ass, so we're gonna need something for some leverage. All bolts are out, we just gotta break this thing free from the transmission. You know, I can see why they mentioned it wasn't easy. Go watch the install video, because old boy just grabs it and cracks it off of there. Like,
it's interesting to get out because this is sealed.
What are you talking about?
Because this is just man up. Leverage some of this old man strength.
is there something else holding this? Is somebody doing me a goof?
What you need is some man hands.
Should we leverage from the inside? Does this seem dangerous?
I might break something.
No, that'll do it. Ow.
You're gonna hurt something up there, man.
Got him. First try. All right. Now that is the transmission fluid, so we gotta try not to put any bullshit in there. We just gotta clean up that surface, new coat of RTV on the new shifter base, and it just goes back together. Happy birthday.
Oh. You shouldn't have, man.
Paper towels and brake clean? So we have to cut that part out. Yeah, same. I think I did a good job on that. I'm gonna say I did a good job. It's not even time for that yet. Does this go first? It has to. Not sure specifically what that part does. There's a little bit of guessery involved.
Remember, we're professionals. We know what we're doing.
We don't need the directions. Put these back on. I am so fucking thirsty. I feel like I need an IV. I am so
Are you
goddamn
dehydrated?
thirsty. I don't know if you guys caught it. I say I don't. I know you guys caught it because you're all subscribers. We had Brainerd Friday night, and then autocross Saturday, and then autocross on Sunday. Just ain't recovered from it, man.
It's a workout, man.
It's not only a workout, but like the sun is exhausting. You know, all of that hot sun we get here in Minnesota.
It was actually pretty hot. And although it's not as hot as some states on that blacktop, it's roasting out there. It is roasting so bad.
Chasing cones is
Chasing
harder
cones
than
is
it should be.
chasing cones out there in the heat and 85-degree weather is. I mean, you know, when you do that for a couple
And
days,
there were
it's.
so many to chase. When me and Sky were working that day, our first shift, there were dozens and dozens. We were running non-stop chasing
You guys
fucking
got your asses
cones.
kicked.
My cone! At least my sway bar was connected this time. No, during the practice it wasn't. For the event it was. Remember to connect your sway bar, kids. Miatas are not Rubicons. Ignore all these noises. It's normal, I said. Fool! I'm a fool in a man's shoes.
We can tell you ain't no welder.
This is beautiful. F you. Bloop.
Man, look how tall that is.
It is tall.
Well, that's a good height comparison. Is that e-brake all the way back?
Yeah, I think so.
That's
Fifth, sixth,
go to fourth.
fourth,
Then go
third,
to
fourth,
go fourth to fifth.
first, second, third, fourth. That's fucking gated. Goes exactly where it goes. Fuck, man. Let's finish bolting it down. Man, I'm excited now. More excited than I already was for a $1,000 shifter. Whoever designs all these plastics is not invited to my birthday party. Apparently this piece detaches from this piece pretty easily since it did accidentally. So when you go to take that apart on yours, make sure you just pop that joint right there, make your life easier, apparently. Let's put these screws back.
Hey Gavin, what have you been doing for the past, I don't know, 20 minutes?
I really like this Hoonigan shift knob, so I'm determined to get it on here, but it uses a little adapter piece. We still need to go this far that way.
Now you gotta do it again.
We need to go 1 o'clock. In order to clock the top correctly, it's got a lock nut that goes on there. It's a matter of getting these two both coordinated, and it's just killing me. So we need to go 1 o'clock. Let's go right there. Let's see if that's the ticket. Man, this thing is so tall. I love it because it's like. How is it still going to the same place? You watched me turn it. It's not in the same place, but it
He's been
ended in the
doing this
same
for about
fucking
30
place.
minutes now. Not everybody's shift knobs are perfectly symmetrical.
It has to be. Ah, perfect. Nailed it. First try. Let's go see how it drives.
Hey man, you got a short shifter?
It's like the shortest, while also being long. Long as fuck, boy.
Pull up on that e-brake real quick. Good God.
Stop. It vibrates with the transmission.
That's a thing you're gonna have to live with for the rest of your life now.
This is definitely not a thing to do if you're worried about introducing new rattles or noises. The NVH goes up with this thing. If you just leave it in gear, it doesn't do it. Oh, it's only with the AC. That makes sense. It's only with the AC on. All right, so to go into reverse, we have to pull up on this, which is, I think this is the maneuver now. So that's how we get into reverse now. Not even grabbing up at the tall part because this is where I'm used to grabbing. I'm just grabbing the shaft. You'll have that sometimes. On track and trying to keep your hands on the wheel, it's a lot closer. It's right there. It'll take a little while to get used to how high it is, but it's nice. Here, try it. You don't have to lift up on it to get out of reverse.
Oh, you just pull?
Yep.
That's gonna take some getting used to. This is really tight. Oh yeah, you know every single gear you're gonna be in. This requires a learning curve.
It's too precise. Those of us with fingies of chaos have trouble with the precise motions.
Yeah, this is gonna take a little bit of getting used to.
So whenever we do get a chance, we'll do a full, like, thorough review on this thing, but initial impressions to run around the block is nice. That's good.
The initial impression is that it's extremely tight, very much different from a normal setup, and you need to get used to that.
A little bit of trimming to make it fit quite right, but overall, it's exactly the same as installing any other short shifter.
You ever bought something and wondered whether or not you got your money's worth? You don't wonder about that.
Yeah, that's not one of those. Pretty happy with that. Can't wait to test it out on the track. To make sure that you catch it when we do, be subscribed. It's an easy solution.
Thanks for watching Red Hen Racing, where we do installs, reviews, and shenanigans. And if you like that kind of thing, give us a subscribe. See you next time.